In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer PS5 gaming video clips to your phone. So the first thing you want to do is go on your phone and download and install the PlayStation app for free, and then you want to open it up. Now select Sign In at the bottom and sign into your PlayStation Network account that you're using on your PS5. Now once you're signed in, it's going to ask to pair with your console, so select Console at the bottom, and then you want to select your PS5 from the top and select Confirm at the bottom. Now once you're connected, it'll bring you to this page, and what you want to do is select Game Library at the bottom, and then once you're in this section, select Captures at the top. Now it may ask you to enable captures on the PlayStation app, so you want to select Enable, and then give it a couple of seconds, and any of your media clips as well as screenshots will automatically be uploaded to the PlayStation app. Now it may take a few moments for this to pop up, and if for whatever reason you don't see the clip you want to use, simply go back onto your PS5 and look for the media gallery and open it up, and then you should be able to see your video clip here. So you want to highlight it and press the Options button on your controller and select Upload to PlayStation app. Then you want to go back on the PlayStation app on your phone and you should see the clip uploading, and once it's finished, you can tap on the clip and you want to select the download icon in the bottom right corner. So you'll see it downloading, and once it's finished, it'll save on your phone. So you can now exit out of the PlayStation app and you want to go to Photos. And in Photos, you should see it in Recents. And if you scroll over, you should also see it in the PlayStation app album. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.